Alright, on this problem it says that Sherry's 45 feet ahead of Jerry and 110 feet there, and Jerry's traveling at 45 miles an hour and Sherry is traveling at 30 miles an hour. So Jerry will be able to catch up with Sherry. In fact, for every hour that they're both traveling, Jerry goes 15 miles further than Sherry. So what we have to figure out then is 15 miles an hour. How long? 15 miles an hour for every hour. How long is it going to take to make up this 110 feet? Well, what I'm going to need to do then is change that 15 miles to feet per second, because the answer is all in second, and this is in feet. So I'm going to take, there's 5,280 feet in a mile. And there's 60 times 60, or 3,600 seconds in an hour. And so we set it up like this. You got 15 miles per hour times, well, I want my miles to cancel, so my miles will be here, and my 5,280 will be up here, feet, and my seconds are going to be on the bottom, so my hours are going to be up here. So I'm going to go over here. I got plenty of room. I got 1 hour. It's 3,600 seconds. And so now then, basically, all you have to do is work this out. There's that feet. Oh, wait a minute. I want my hours to cancel, so I got this upside down here. 1 hour up here, and my 3,600 seconds down here is, I want feet per second. And so now then, my hours will cancel, and my miles will cancel. And all I need to do is work this out. If you learn how to reduce, then you don't have to do a lot of calculations. It's a time test, so you need to be quicker about it. So you can divide by both top and bottom by 10, that does that. You divide this by 5 here, this would be 3, and this would be 5 sevens is 35, and you got 10, which would be 2, so that's 720. And now 3 goes into 72, because 72 is 9, and 3 is divisible by 9, so 3 goes in there, 24 times, and that'd be 1 there. Now these are both even, so if you just take half of them, this is 12, and this is 2 2s is 4. Let me get rid of some of the stuff here. Divide that by 2, you got 2 times 2 is 4, that's 12, and then 2 times 4 is 8, so that's 17, and divide it by 2 again, this becomes 6, this up here, 2 3s is 6, and see, that's a 2 there, I didn't know, that was 2640, so 2 goes into that once, goes in there 3, 2, 0, and then 6 goes into that. 2 6 is 12, and then you got 12, so the answer is 22. So 22 feet every second. So you make up 22 feet every second, and you got 110 feet to make up. So there's one final step, and that's to find out how many 22s there are in 110. So to do this, this would be 11, and this would be divided by 2, 10, 1, that'd be 55, so 11 goes into both of those, would be 5 seconds. So there's a lot of work to that one, but if you learn to reduce, you can reduce pretty quickly, and make sure you have plenty of room where you don't get stuff mixed up.